So,
Hi.
how's it going? And I will always love you. Or not.
This is Kristen. This might take a while.
So, ladies and gents, I just took a shower, so my hair looks like crap. Mangled pubic hair. I whip my beard back and forth. I whip my beard back and forth.
I think the doctors were saying that if your kids do the dance, don't let your kids do the dance to the video because then they'll have arthritis.
So, children, do not whip your hair back and forth. I whip my hair.
You see this yellow light?
I whip my hair back and
You
forth.
see
I
this
whip my
yellow
hair.
light? This light bugs me.
Are you ready to whip your hair back and forth?
Are you ready? It's like...
Yeah, Aaron, stop! You're gonna get arthritis in your neck. Aaron, I turned my swag on this morning when I got out of bed.
Yeah, we turned our swag on.
My swag is turned up all the way.
Do you whip your hair?
I have a haters. Do you have haters? Do you have haters?
I have haters.
I have plenty of haters.
I have tons of haters.
Haters be hating on this, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Okay, children. Today I'm going to tell you about sex.
Today you're going to learn about the birds and the bees. This will be your reaction by the end of this video.
She said hard. Hair back and forth. Oh my god! I can't whip my hair back and forth. Alright. And bring it around town! Bring it around town!
Isn't it just so cute?
Pretty sure this is illegal.
Oh, it's a baby!
That was attractive.
Oh, it's a baby!
Alright. I whip my penis back and forth. I whip my penis back and forth. That would hurt.